Today we are going to see how to create a bar chart in the Excel sheet. Okay, so I'm going to create a blank workbook. Okay, consider we have employee name and their salary. Okay, so I'm going to zoom this little bit to have a better view. Okay, consider like Mark is one of the employees, Joel is one of the employee, Ram, Shiva, Sandy. Okay. Okay. Salary of Mark is considered as 70,000 and Joel is 50,000. Rom's is 40,000 and Shiva's is 30,000 and Sandy's is 50,000. Okay. So we are going to create a bar chart out of this. How we are going to create is like in Excel there is a menu called insert menu. In that there is option to create a bar chart. Okay, so here we can create a bar chart, 2D column or 3D column or 2D bar like this or 3D bar like this. For example, like we can choose 2D column, right? Like we can see how the bar chart is, right? The based out of this table, employee name and salary, the bar chart is created. See, Mark salary is 70,000 and Joel like 50,000. Like we can quickly create a bar chart out of the value. Okay, now we can try with 3D chart. Okay, so we are converting that to a 3D chart. Like now this change to a little bit 3D shapes. Okay, we can change options, like different options were there, and we can change it. Okay, we can try with this option as well, or this. There is a lot of option you can choose. Basically, like this is an option to create a bar chart out of the values in Excel. Thank you.